farm. That is crazy. It is actually putting out a halo of light from the sun shining off of those mirrors onto the solar panels. You see that halo of light under them? That would melt you if you walked out there while that was on. Well, we're about to cross into Nevada here and head to Vegas. Alright, we emerged from the desert into the town in the middle of the desert.
In half a mile, use the middle lane to follow signs for Clark County 215 West, I-215 East.
We are in Las Vegas. Can't wait to see this place at night. Last time I was here, I was 15, couldn't do anything. I was here for one night, so don't really remember too much of the place.
Left at the fork.
Driving us again. She got us through San Fran and down into LA. Now she's from getting us into Vegas from LA, so this is getting her driving in.
Look at that, eh, Paso?
Well, we're checking out of our first hotel, the Circus. Nothing to write home about here. It was a decent hotel. It's a little outdated, but nothing bad, nothing good, and I guess that's better than what it could be. But we're happy with it. Will we come back and stay here again with other choices? No. Tonight we're going to be staying at the Hooters Hotel and Casino. Should be a lot better. This one is off of the strip. Hooters is on the strip, so tonight when we go out, we will walk around, see the sights, all the lights, all that stuff, the fountain shows. Be a good time. But in the meantime, we are getting dressed and getting ready to head to Hoover Dam. Go check out the dam. It's our room here. All right, here we are in Lake Mead National Park. Our annual National Parks Pass paid for us to get in here. So really, whenever we went to Yellowstone, Yosemite, and Arches National Park, that would have cost us $80. Our annual park pass was $80. So pretty much after those three parks we went to, we didn't have to pay the $25 to get into this one. So from now on, all the national parks we go to, we are saving money this year without having to pay to get into them. We got Lake Mead. We're on the way now to Hoover Dam. I've got my wife in the car with me, and I've got the girls in the back who are sleeping. had a little accident this morning. That's why she's got a bandage on her chin. She decided to say hello to the corner of a nightstand with her chin. And nightstand won. But she's okay. Eve, she's got a little fork going on back there. Fun trip. Just winding down, unfortunately. Really, after this, we've got the Grand Canyon, and we'll be heading back to Georgia to load up a U-Haul and head back to Pennsylvania. So, yay! Trip's almost over. Hard work to do moving. Is what it is. Can't win them all. Love you guys. See you later. Just to get an idea of how low the lake is, all this should be water over here. And you can see the water line on the rocks over there. So Lake Mead is very low. Sucks. There's the actual dam. Driving across the dam. We are in Arizona now. Okay. Here's me and Kate, Mama and Eve, and if you girls come over here, we have Hoover Dam behind us.
You look at that camera. So hot.
And then this is Lake Mead. Get the emergency spillway there, and emergency spillway over here. Likely they will probably never be used again. Water's very deep here. You can see the water line where it used to be, where it should be at. Years of drought will do that. Wow, look, it just pulled up next to us. Those intake towers are big. I want to know what that is. Bad here. Kind of crazy. This is the bridge that crosses Hoover Dam, but as you can see, they decided to put big walls up. Like, I don't know, nobody wants to see the Hoover Dam at all. So much for that idea. But hey, this is the Pat Tillman Bridge that we're on, and we are crossing into Arizona. Yes, Eve? You sure can. You got $1.
My sister, she had a big scratch.
Yeah, it's more than a scratch. She got a cut on her chin. Yeah. But she learned. Yep. You learn not to jump because of her, right? That's why you don't jump on beds, folks. But she'll live. She's good. She's a tough girl.
I am too.
We got 2 very tough girls. 3, actually. She's the toughest of them all. And then I got these 2 tough girls, and then this tough guy right here. Yeah, what's up? No services this way. Oh no.
Daddy, I can talk about myself.
What's this?
I talk about myself, Daddy.
The adventures of off-roading. We have water, we have some food, and I have knives, and I have something to make a fire with. So if we get lost out here and we eat all our food and we're still lost, we can eat each other. Yeah, this area is subject to flash floods. It's one of the dry creek beds right there. See, I don't get it. What does it mean when people come through here and they do this stone stacking?
Just don't want to do it.
You really wanted to do stone stacking? You'd be a lot cooler if you did. I don't know where we're going, but the turnaround road that we were on came out to this. You only live once, so hey, let's do it. It is, yeah, Kingman Wash Road. 4x4 recommended.
Let's go back.
No way, baby. We have 4 wheels. We're in a Honda Odyssey adventure van. I wonder if I can zoom in on this thing.
That is disgusting.
Something with 4 engines. What'd you say, Kate?
I just saw something. It's disgusting.
Oh yeah? Do we have enough gas? We do. So when we left, we had 170,800 miles. We've already done, like I say, 7,000 miles of driving on this trip already. And it's led us to the desert. Stay tuned next week, folks, see if we ate each other or if we made it out of here alive. Bye-bye. All right, we're passing by the airport here. Got a ton of helicopters here. A lot of money in choppers right there. Wow. Maverick Air. Okay, we're pulling into Main Strip, Las Vegas, Nevada. There's the Las Vegas sign right there everybody sees. Some Learjets, Gulfstreams. There's the Mandalay Bay. Limo is packed out.
That's a lot of packed up.
Yeah, it's a lot of pack up, isn't it? There's the Luxor over here. MGM Grand is across the way. New York up here. Always thought the Luxor was the coolest. Hey, look out the window to the left. See the pyramid and the lion head, and the Sphinx? You see that?
Just like that, Dad.
That's right.
I like that.
There's the Excalibur over here on the left.
We found
New York right behind it. MGM Grand. That's the Excalibur. That's the name of the castle. The name of the castle is the Excalibur. Yeah.
That is area something. The funds in it.
Yeah.
That one is basically.
The old Trump Tower. Our next video of this trip will be at nighttime. Be a lot more livelier. There's your castle leave. There's our hotel over there.
Where?
We'll be staying at Hoover's right there tonight.
Yep. Look at the
Very cool. There's the Eiffel Tower. Caesar's Palace. Caesar's Palace. You got the Eiffel Tower here.